Hello, I'm Leila Etaati from New Zealand, Auckland. I'm Microsoft AI MVP consultant, trainer, and speaker in different conferences. And I'm excited to be in Data Platform Summit in India, in Bangalore, from 7th of August till 11. I'm excited to present two different pre-cons on data science topic. One is about learning the age of data science with Microsoft Cloud, and the other one is about how we can build AI applications with Microsoft tools. I'm going to show you some slides that I'm going to talk about during these two pre-con. Okay, before look at the pre-cons topic, I should mention that I spoke in more than 100 conferences in different continents and different countries like USA, Australia, New Zealand, Europe, and in different famous conferences like Microsoft Ignite USA, Microsoft Ignite New Zealand, Microsoft Data Insight Summit, Business Application, Pass Summit, and many more. And also, I did PhD in information technology, and I have more than 10 years experience in data platform. And also, I'm busy with writing books, and already wrote a book about Power BI and R. So the exciting is I'm excited about the conference Data Platform Summit in Bangalore. So it's happened from, as you see here, from 7 to 11 of August. So 7 and 8 is pre-cons, and 9 to 11 of August is about sessions and conference. I'm going to present two pre-cons. One of them is about the leading edge data science with Microsoft tools. So I'm going to talk about the new tools that we have for machine learning in Microsoft. So I'm going to have a look on machine learning concepts, start with a very famous machine learning cloud application, Azure ML. Then I'm going gradually to introduce Azure Machine Learning Workbench, Azure Data Lake, how we can do machine learning there, what is Azure Databricks and how we can use it for machine learning, and also Power BI and R. And I'm trying to provide a deep idea that how you can use these different tools. So this pre-con happen on 7th of August, Tuesday, and you can register via website. The other conference, the other pre-con that I'm present in this conference is about build intelligent application using Microsoft AI. So now I'm going to show you how you can create smart applications using Microsoft tools. First of all, I'm going to show you how you can kind of create Azure machine learning models and then use that model in .NET application, how to use cognitive services in .NET application to create smart bots, and how you can use actually cognitive services to create Power Apps and then show the result in Power BI. So this pre-con is more focused on the application side and is suitable for developers. Thank you. I hope you see you all there.